Whirlpool 308 liters 2-star frost-free inverter double door. 2x longer vitamin preservation. The proprietary Sixth Sense Nutrilock technology gives you up to 2x longer vitamin preservation that keeps you fresh in vitamins and nutrients for longer. Convertible 10-in-1 modes. Now convert your refrigerator at the touch of a button with 10-in-1 convertible modes. India's fastest convertible refrigerator, 27 minutes. Now convert your freezer to fridge according to your needs in the fastest time of 27 minutes. Prevent excessive ripening of fruits and vegetables. The patented zeolite asterisk inside the freshenizer absorbs the excess ethylene released by fruits and vegetables, thereby preventing excessive ripening of fruits and vegetables. Intelligence Inverter technology adapts the cooling according to internal load and reduces energy consumption, and can stably operate even in high fluctuation of voltage, 160-260 V, without a separate stabilizer. 7 days of dairy freshness. Cooling that ensures milk and other dairy items remain fresh for up to 7 days. Now stop worrying for milk spoilage and store more. 50% energy saving with mini ref mode. Now save up to 50% energy when you are not using the freezer with mini ref mode. Bear up to 240 kilograms load capacity. The toughened glass end-to-end shelves can bear up to 240 kilograms of load, allowing you to keep large pots and utensils inside without any fear of breakage. 99.9% bacterial growth prevention. Prevention of up to 99% bacterial growth with microblock technology. Ice twister and collector. Now create more space in the freezer with the portable ice twister tray. 40% faster bottle cooling. The scientifically designed fresh flow air tower with strategically placed flex vents let out cool and fresh air into different sections of the refrigerator to give uniform and 40% faster bottle cooling.